What is the single most important principle that determines whether you'll succeed or fail in life? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's not even intelligence. According to Napoleon Hill, the man who spent over 25 years studying the greatest minds in the world, the answer is definiteness of purpose. The ability to know what you want and to chase it with unshakable focus. In this life-changing lecture, we'll dive deep into why this one principle is the foundation of all success and how you can use it to shape your destiny. Chapter 1: What is definiteness of purpose? Definiteness of purpose means having a clear, specific goal that dominates your mind. It's knowing exactly what you want and refusing to settle for anything less. Most people drift through life, reacting to circumstances, but the successful ones, the top 1%, they decide what they want first and then bend the world to make it happen. Napoleon Hill said, open quote, "There is one quality that one must possess to win, definiteness of purpose, the knowledge of what one wants, and a burning desire to possess it." Close quote. Without a definite purpose, your energy is scattered. With it, you become a force of nature. Chapter 2: Why most people lack it. Let's be honest, most people don't have a definite purpose. Why? Because it's hard to commit. It's scary to declare your goal out loud. It's uncomfortable to say, this is who I am, this is what I will do. Fear, doubt, procrastination, they keep people small. But if you're watching this, there's a reason. You're meant for more. You're meant to step into your greatness. And it starts with deciding what you truly want. Chapter 3: Burning Desire, the Fuel Behind Purpose. A goal is not enough. You need desire. A burning, white-hot obsession that drives you to wake up early, stay up late, and keep going when others quit. Napoleon Hill devoted an entire chapter in Think and Grow Rich to this idea. Open quote, "Desire is the starting point of all achievement. Weak desires bring weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat." Close quote. So ask yourself, what is the one thing you want so badly that it keeps you up at night? That's where your purpose lives. Chapter 4: Clarity is Power. How to define your purpose. You can't hit a target you can't see. Take out a notebook. Write this at the top. My definite chief aim in life is. Now finish that sentence with honesty and boldness. Be specific. Write it in the present tense. Attach emotion to it. Read it every morning and night. This is what separates dreamers from achievers. Chapter 5: Aligning your mind with purpose. Once you define your goal, your subconscious mind starts working for you. Ideas, people, and resources will begin to appear. This is not magic, it's psychology. Hill explained that the mind is both a broadcasting and receiving station. When you think intensely about your goal, you transmit those thoughts, and the universe responds. That's how you attract opportunity. That's how synchronicity happens. That's how people call you lucky. Chapter 6: Obstacles will come. Stay committed. Every great success story is filled with setbacks. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times. Henry Ford went bankrupt 5 times. Even Napoleon Hill faced ridicule and poverty before finding his voice. But they all had one thing in common: a definite purpose that kept them going. When you know your why, you can survive any how. Stay focused. Don't quit. Every failure is feedback. Chapter 7: Daily Action, the Missing Ingredient. Purpose without action is daydreaming. Every day ask yourself, what is one thing I can do today to move closer to my purpose? Small steps compound. One page becomes a book. One video becomes a channel. One sale becomes a business. Consistency beats intensity. Hill said, "Success requires no apologies. Failure permits no alibis." It's not enough to know what you want. You must have a plan to get it. Break your goal into small actions. Assign deadlines, track progress, and adjust when needed. Clarity plus desire plants action, unstoppable momentum. Chapter 9, Mastermind. Surround yourself with purpose-driven people. No one succeeds alone. Hill's most powerful discovery was the mastermind principle. The idea that when two or more people align their minds toward a definite purpose, they create a third invisible force, a supermind. Find people who think big, who challenge you, who believe in your purpose. Cut out distractions and energy vampires. Your purpose deserves protection. Closing section. It all starts with a decision. Let this be the moment. Decide today that you will no longer drift through life. Decide that you have a purpose. Decide that your life has meaning. Decide that you are willing to pay the price of greatness. Write down your definite purpose. Read it, speak it, live it. Your life will never be the same again. If this message awakens something inside you, if you feel a deeper calling to live a life of purpose, then don't keep it to yourself. Like this video to remind your future self of this moment. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're serious about transforming your life, subscribe for more powerful truths from Napoleon Hill. Because your future is waiting for your decision. Stay inspired, stay focused, and remember, success begins with definiteness of purpose.